Hello friends, thank you so much for joining me. It is Lady Draws a Lot, or Michelle Lodge as I am more commonly known. I am an illustrator and a comic artist, and I am here today to unbox Sketchbox. And I have here the February edition of Sketchbox. This is the Sketchbox Premium. We're gonna go ahead, open it up and see what's in there and create some art based only on what's inside, or what's from inside this box. Then we're gonna go through each item one by one and kind of give it a little bit of a review, and I'll tell you how it was to use, if the item performed well, and if I would buy it again with my own money. So, I bought this Sketchbox with my own money. So I already did buy it with my own money. If I would buy it again with my own money, I guess. So without further ado, let's get into this box here and let's create some artwork with whatever happens to be inside. Let's go. All right, here we have the Sketchbox. All right, as always, we have the card telling us everything that's inside, which is great. We have the artist's card, Matthew Bowman. Very cool. Okay, some paper. Cool. I'm kind of getting excited with everything that's coming out of here. Oh my goodness. Okay, cool. This is a different box than the things I've gotten in the past. Okay. All right. Let me get everything kind of laid out here, and then we'll go through what all these items are. All right, so here we have everything sort of laid out. All right, let's go see the first item here. This is the Delguard mechanical pencil, and this has a spring-loaded tip on there to help reduce lead breakage. So that's nice. We'll see how that feels to use. And then we have the Pilot Parallel pen. I have not used this before. It says it has a parallel plate nib. Now, that apparently means that you can use it as on its flat side to create like wide calligraphy strokes, or you can kind of turn it and use it on the other kind of edge as sort of like a pen. So it looks like it comes with a couple of colors, looks like black and red. Then we've got vellum paper. And with this pad, it's got this sort of protector sheet. So you're supposed to be able to kind of lay this in between your work, and then it will prevent it from bleeding through on the rest of the pad. So that's pretty nice. And then this goes with the Pilot pen here. This is a whole ink set with all different colors in there. So wide range of colors there. And this is color leads for this pencil here. I have not used colored leads like this before. And an eraser, which is crazy because yesterday I was just saying how I needed to buy an eraser, so somebody must have heard me there. And then we've got the Sketchmate, which is to help make these very precise shapes, lines, and you could also use it as like to erase out very specific shapes or to draw them in, however you want to use this. Okay, so let's create some art based on just what's in here. So this is where I ended up with my piece today. And I'll just talk about everything that came in the box here. So this paper, I have admittedly not really used much vellum before. I don't know. Maybe I need to, work with it some more, but to me, thicker papers that have more to them are my personal preference. But maybe I just need to, try more things with vellum. I don't know, if I'm missing something with this type of paper, let me know what you use it for and what you find it works well with. This mechanical pencil was really nice. I didn't have any issues working with it, and I did put a good amount of pressure on this tip here and no breakage. So I did find that to be nice. As far as the colored leads go, I thought these were pretty great as well. This is like working with, colored pencils that you never have to sharpen, which is nice. Only thing now is that if you want to switch around colors, that's a bit of a pain to do, since you gotta either be really careful not to break the tip as you're maybe going up the pencil there, which I don't recommend because you pretty easily break the tip, or you go in this way and then it's 1,000 clicks until it finally comes through the pencil. So other than that, this was really nice, and I like the leads, and yes, I would use this again and recommend it because it's really nice to have a really sharp colored pencil that just doesn't need sharpening. All right, now this pen here. No issues really working with it. The thing of it is loading it. So with all the colors that it came with, I kind of was under the impression that you'd be able to like switch around colors pretty easily, but I did switch the colors just so I could try how that worked. It was quite messy, and now I have this open green, which is open. It's not, yeah. See, so I can't like set it down at all, and I'm not sure if that's what it's supposed to do or if it's supposed to shut back up and you're supposed to be able to switch them out. I don't know, but I gotta store this like this or put a piece of tape over it so it doesn't dry out. That's a bit of a bummer. So the other thing is, you can see my hands here. This is just messy. It might be just user error on that, but something to be aware of. I wouldn't buy it, to be honest with you. I would, with the way the color switching is so difficult and messy, and now I don't know what to do with that color that's open. I think I would much rather work with a nib and dipping ink system that's just really straightforward. So that's what I would say with that. This, no issues working with this, pretty basic. If you feel like you could use something like this, this would be a good one to use. I don't have anything bad to say about it. It worked well. The eraser worked well too, no issues there. And we're at the end of the line here. All right, so that's pretty much it. If I were to repurchase anything in here, it would be, you know, the eraser. I don't know what I would need to repurchase this for, but if this got chewed up by my dog or something, yeah, I'd buy it again. I would not buy these again, unfortunately, but I would purchase these again. All right, guys, and that's all I have today. I hope you've had a good time here today. I'll see you next time. Bye.